Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need both Apple ID, passwords, and access to the device. Once done, unlock the device and open Settings. Tap the account name to check that Find My iPhone is enabled. Make sure the phone is online via Wi-Fi or cellular. This matters for locating and sending commands. While you're here, note the iOS version and device model so you pick the correct steps later. Now prepare the other Apple ID details. We'll switch accounts next. You sign out of the current Apple ID in Settings. Tap your name, scroll, choose Sign Out, and keep or remove local data as needed. Then sign in with the alternate Apple ID, enter password, verify with 2FA if prompted, and confirm iCloud sync. Once signed in, enable Find My iPhone and allow Find My network access. Make sure Location Services is on so the device can report position. If you see Activation Lock, pause and gather original ID credentials before proceeding. You now open the Find My app or iCloud. Calm and locate the device. Select it to play a sound, enable Lost Mode, or erase remotely. Use Lost Mode to display a contact number and freeze the device. If Activation Lock appears after an erase, you'll need the original Apple ID credentials or Apple support with proof of purchase. This prevents unauthorized use. If the device is offline, turn on Notify when found and periodically check. Once online, your pending command will execute immediately.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.